If you have a WordPress page or pages and you want to convert it or convert them into blog post, this video is for you. So I have this calculators website. If I go in here, I've created all these calculators using pages and I want them to be in post instead of pages. So for instance, this particular one, if I open it up, right here you see that I have edit page, which means it's actually a page. However, if I go to this particular post right here, you see I have edit post, which actually indicate that this one is really a post. So I'm going to show you how we can convert something like this into a blog post. To do that, I go to the backend of my website. Then I'm going to go ahead and install a plugin. I go over to plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugins, I search for post type switcher. And this is the plugin post type switcher. I click on install now. Then I go ahead and activate. Now the plugin is installed and activated successfully. Next thing I want to do is go over to pages. That is where I have all the pages on my website. So let's assume this is the particular page I want to convert into a blog post. So what I want to do is just hover, then I click on quick edit. Under post type, we are seeing this as a result of the plugin we installed. At the moment it is set to page. Now I drop down the arrow, then I choose post. Then I go ahead and update. Take notice of the name, Agribusiness ROI Calculator. Now if I refresh the page, you see that I don't have it anymore. If I go over to post, I'll open it in a new tab. You see that I have it here, Agribusiness ROI Calculator. If I view it, I now have edit post and it's now a blog post. And you see it under recent post right here. Now I've just converted one page to a blog post. What if I have several pages that I want to convert into blog post? How do I achieve this? To do that, I go back to the pages. So all the pages I want to convert into blog posts, what I need to do is select them. So I select this one, going down, I select this one as well. So I can select as many as I want. For now, I want to select only these two pages. Next thing I want to do is go over to bulk actions, then click on bulk edit, apply. And right here, you see that I have post type. Drop down the arrow and I choose post. Click on update. Now if I go to the front end, at the moment you see that I have only Agribusiness ROI Calculator. Let's refresh to see if the rest of the post will come. As you can see, so I now have Farm Equipment Depreciation Calculator and then Agribusiness Startup Calculator. Similarly, if you have a blog post and you want to convert it into page, you go through the same procedure. However, this time around, you now go over to post, and assuming I want to convert this particular post into a page, what I want to do is click on quick edit. Then under post type, it is set to post. I click on page. Remember, that's why we already converted from page to post. Now we want to revert it. So I click on update. If I refresh, it will go off. You see that it's gone. And if I go back to pages, you see it right here. Perfect. So that's it on how you can convert a page into a post in WordPress. I hope you found value from today's video. If you did, kindly click on the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch the next video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I'll see you on the next one.